Hi, I'm Kim from Weld, and as a welder I've always loved tools and equipment that makes the job more streamlined and safe. And that's why today I'm stoked to introduce you to the TRX800. It's been designed with the insights and needs of professionals in mind, and for that reason I really do believe this product is a game changer. So, with no further ado, let's dive into the TRX800 and see what it's all about. I've spent a lot of time on the workshop floor, and one thing that I've noticed is that a lot of welders shy away from using PAPRs. They're bulky, the filters are often expensive, and people generally have a hard time using them in an actual workshop environment. And that means that a lot of welders out there right now are sacrificing their own health and safety. No welder should have to burn a hole in their pocket just to keep himself healthy and safe. Alright, so what makes the TRX800 so great? First of all, it's lightweight. It's not a big championship WWE belt. This thing is a small unit that clips directly onto your belt, so it's way more comfortable. And it's way cheaper up front, and so are the filters and accessories afterwards. You shouldn't be going broke buying filters and accessories for something for work. One of the standout features of the TRX800 is the 1-second plug-in system, making it easy to set up on the go. It also features a universal bayonet plug, meaning that you can buy standard, readily available filters and you're not shackled to expensive, specific type filters. The TRX800 has been designed with adaptability in mind. For those who prefer a flip-up option, it integrates seamlessly with our TRX900 welding helmet. For those who want a little bit more, our TRX800 welding helmet not only provides seamless protection, but also has a speaker in the helmet so you can listen to music or podcasts while you work. More details are available on our website. We understand that people have brand preferences and loyalties, and for that reason the TRX800's plug is compatible with many of the masks that are already on the market, such as the Speed Class 3M range. Let's dive into the practical aspects of the TRX800. As I turn it on, you'll notice the consistent airflow. Safety is paramount, and this device comes with an integrated alarm system, so should the airflow drop below the recommended level, an alarm will sound immediately, giving you time to react if necessary. Let me show you. At maximum speed, which gives the most rigorous airflow, you can expect about 3.5 to 4 hours of working time. However, if you've got a long 8-hour day of welding ahead of you, you can always set it down to a medium speed and get a full 8 hours. So we're stoked to announce that the TRX800 will be launching on Kickstarter and Indiegogo on the 20th of November. We're offering a 52% discount to the first 300 backers. To cater to all needs and preferences, we've designed 4 purchasing options. The PAPR device combined with the TRX900 flip-up helmet, the device paired with the TRX800 helmet, just the device for those who want to integrate it with their own helmets, and a comprehensive package with the PAPR device and both TRX900 and TRX800 helmets. Don't miss the opportunity to grab the TRX800 at a special introductory price. Join us in our journey to redefine welding safety and efficiency. Your support means everything to us. See you on the 20th of November.